are Amazon linen closet finds that keep us organized. 1. Everyone has that big king-size quilt that's so hard to store. Try a vacuum storage bag. Just hook a vacuum up to it and it squishes down till it's almost flat, then zips up inside its own box. I just toss it on the closet floor. 2. Simple but brilliant bedsheet bands. Wrap the band around sheet sets so there's no more digging around for the right size. 3. Each person has a box for their own sheets and beddings to keep things organized. The boxes have tops if you need to stack them and an optional divider. We also use the boxes to separate our pool and bath towels. 4. Smaller fabric storage bins hold items like hand towels and washcloths. 5. Jumbo storage bags for comforters and decorative pillows. 6. Plastic sticky labels stick to the sides and fit a 3x5 card inside. Comment below the word links and I'll DM you everything here.